Yeah, I mean, it's a good day up here in Lexington. Yeah, yeah, one of my favorite cars of all time. 302 Boss. Look, you got puppy. Kind of look like Rocky. Cow induction hood. I remember when those came out. I was wanting to do that on my truck. We got a street racing bug over here. Yeah, we ain't got but a few more minutes. We're gonna just get at them. Oh shit. Hey, I've seen this guy right here riding around a little bit too.
They must be doing stuff down here. Hey, John, I tell you what,
That was pretty good. Oh no, just another good day in town. Ain't shit going on up here. Just a car show. Everybody's out enjoying the nice weather. Good day today.